Good morning, girls. This is Dr. Kiran Deshwal, Assistant Professor English, BZD Government Girls College, Shahpura. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the syllabus of paper second. In paper second, you will have prose. So, let me describe section wise which material we have to read in paper second. So first of all, unit first, or you can say section 1 from section A. In section A you will have an essay book, essays from this book, which is titled English Prose Selections. You can get this book of Oxford publication. From this book you will have short essays. So note down the name, English Prose Selections. In this book we have to read the following essays. First essay, Of Studies, composed by Francis Bacon. In this essay, the writer Francis Bacon describes the advantage of study, how to study, why to study, and when to study. So we will read in detail in our upcoming videos. Next, we have Knowledge and Wisdom by Bertrand Russell. In this essay, Russell talks about knowledge and wisdom, how these two things brought revolution in the life of human beings, how these two things are beneficiary for us, how they did our welfare. So we will talk about this in this essay. Next essay, on getting on getting up on cold mornings, composed by Leigh Hunt. In this essay, Leigh Hunt talks about the pains. So this will be pleasing for late risers. It talks about the pains which someone feels while getting early. The next essay is Fearlessness. In this essay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, every one of you might have heard this name. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi talks about fearlessness, and he motivates us that we should adopt this quality, fearlessness, because this only by this only quality we can speak truth and we can take our rights, we can know about our rights. Next essay is Third Thought, composed by Lucas. Lucas in this essay describes that we should not stop at a first thought. Of our every action should be thought over again, and we should think and think again our activities so that we can make corrections in them. Next essay is Democracy, composed by S. Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan worked as a president. He was a philosopher and he was a statesman also. And in this essay, he talks about the qualities of democracy, the merits and demerits of democracy, and how people feel in a democratic nation. In this essay, he elaborates all these things. Next, we have On Educational Reform, written by Henry Belloc. Belloc thinks that our educational system has some defaults. It should be reformed in various ways, and how it should be reformed, he suggests us various ways. He suggests us how we should reform it. In your next section, you people will have Popular Short Stories. Write down the name of this book, Popular Short Stories, from Oxford publication. From this book also we will read stories. The first story is A Cup of Tea, composed by Catherine Mansfield. This story focuses on class consciousness and the feeling of rich. It's about Rosemary, who wants to become a godmother but fails out of jealousy. We will see that while reading this story in our upcoming videos. Living or Dead. It's a story written by Indian author Rabindranath Tagore. In this story, we have our protagonist Kadambini. Kadambini is alive, but for some time her heart stopped beating, and his family members took him to be dead, and they took him to the cremation ground, and she considered as dead. So she fights for her existence, whether she is living or dead. The story ends with an unexpected climax. Next story, The Open Window, written by H. Munro, whose pen name is Saki. In this story we have supernatural elements. In this story, Mr. Nuttall is afraid of ghosts, and we see the talkative nature and the ability of Veera, a small little girl who can make up stories in her mind in no time. The story An Astrologer's Day is composed by R.K. Narayan. In this story, R.K. Narayan talks about an astrologer who makes people believe in future oracy. Next story is Old Man at the Breeze, and this story is written by Ernest Hemingway, and this story talks about the helpless people who suffer during war times. Next we have a novel, Animal Farm, composed by George Orwell. This is an allegory, and its motto sentence is, all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. This political allegory criticizes communism, and it mocks that government that it is running by mindless people. So pigs are here who runs the government, and this is a very interesting book. We will read it in our upcoming videos. Next we will have prose appreciation. In this topic I will teach you how to appreciate a prose, how to write a critical appreciation of an essay, story. Formal communication, which things we should take care of while communicating formally. Report writing, how to write a report, why to write a report, and when to write a report. And presentation skills, which things we have to keep in mind while presenting our ideas in PPT or Blackboard. So we will talk about all these topics in our upcoming videos. Keep watching. Thanks for watching.